Hi, welcome back. Due to some technical issue, I think there was the previous video was stopped. So I'm continuing from here where we have stopped again. So it's a pass, fail to do yes, DF000. Zero zero one. Okay. Now, what would be the defect status here? So defect status, let's say it is 2. Let's say the defect status is to do, and what would be the coverage here? The coverage would be waiting on dependency again. So why is this so? I'll explain. So the user story 5 is contact page where the test designing status was done, test case ID was created, and we have a description to display the contact information, user, the tester, UAT is required. In QA it was a pass. Okay, there were no defects in QA. But when it came to UAT, somehow there was something that was failing. But it was not able to, we are not able to reproduce in QA. So the issue is in UAT itself. So prod is to do because UAT is not yet completed, so it will not go to production. Then the defects are, we have identified the defects. These are the defect IDs. So what are the defect IDs? DF000 and DF001. And defect status is to do. Why it is to do? To do in the sense the developer has not yet picked up the defect. So it is in to do. So the coverage of the story is waiting on dependency. So coverage of the story will be done only and only when the story is 100% completed. Okay guys, this is the requirement traceability matrix. Okay, I have saved it. I'll take you to the document that I have prepared for you as small definition here. So requirement traceability matrix is a document that maps the requirements with test cases. This document tracks the status of the project and checks every requirement has been tested thoroughly. Okay, this document is useful because it checks no functionality is remained untested. Okay, now so the test case IDs, I was talking about the test case IDs that would be generated from system, right? In some organizations, the test cases will be developed manually. Okay, test cases will be developed manually. Manually in the sense, okay, the manual testers develop it manually itself. But here, what I mean manually is in the Excel sheet. Okay, in the Excel sheet, they will take some test case ID, let's say TC01, TC02, etc. and they will create the test cases. That we will discuss in the last section of the course. But this is all about the requirement traceability matrix. Okay, I have taken it into two parts because first part was somehow stopped in the middle. I don't know why, but I have taken this requirement traceability matrix into two parts so that we do not miss any detail about the requirement traceability matrix. And RTM, I'm sorry, I have written the word wrong here. Matrix. Okay. RTM is one of the most important questions that you might get in your interviews. Okay. So if someone asks what is requirement traceability matrix, you tell them that it's a document that maps the requirements and the test cases, and it tracks the each and every functionality of the project, and it tracks the defects, and it is designed by it is maintained by the project leads. Okay, project leads maintain this requirement traceability matrix. But coming to Jira tool, okay, if you are using a Jira tool in your organization or the organization that you are going to join, if they are using the Jira tool, they will not need to prepare a requirement traceability matrix in an Excel, because The tool itself gives the project status, details, everything automatically. Okay, all that they have to do is just download it or show it to the stakeholders. Okay, this is all about requirement traceability metrics, guys. Next topic would be what will be our next topic? I'll say next topic would be the functional testing and the non-functional testing. These are the types of testing that we will be going through in our next video. Okay. So let's meet. I'll meet you in the next video, guys. Types of testing.